Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by positioning the tools. Open Terminal and verify which Python will run. Use PyEnv or SystemPython so the launcher points correctly. Once done, place a lightweight test file named hello. Py in your Documents folder and note its path. Make sure the file starts with a shebang if you plan to double-click. /usr/bin/env-python3. This first step prevents confusion later, so you know whether the launcher will invoke Python 3 or another interpreter. Next, you configure how macOS launches that script. In Finder, right-click a Py file, choose Get Info, and set Python Launcher as the default application. Then, edit the shebang line to ensure the intended interpreter, /usr/bin/env-python3, and set execute permission with chmod +x. Once configured, double-click your test script or run open hello. Py from terminal to observe the exact interpreter and console behavior. If output appears in a new window or finally, you lock in reliability by using explicit interpreter paths in shebangs, especially when multiple Pythons exist. Make sure file permissions remain executable and test diverse launch methods, double-click, open, and terminal runs. If the script silently fails, run it from terminal to capture error text. This reveals missing modules or permission issues. For distributing GUI scripts, consider Py2app or an Automator app wrapper so users never need terminal. One key tip: when in doubt, check the shebang and run from.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.